What's up guys, welcome back to another video of The Sims Queen Gamer. I'm probably not the Queen Gamer, but ew! Why am I doing that? What am I... Listen, did I say this last time? I don't know if I did. I know I tried. The TV's still working. Oh. Have I still got one? Oh, thank God I still got. So basically all I need to do is go to the town, quickly buy the toolbox. Yeah, I did that last episode, but I forgot to save it because it froze. Let's go to the hobby shop. Hopefully anything in there doesn't really cost. Oh, do I have it? Oh, I have a little packet. Strange. I suppose I did get one last time. You don't have to do it this time. Listen. Do you put any? No. Okay, now you can watch TV. Yeah, she's definitely well understood. Okay, if you... Okay, turn that off. How about give you a bath? You're seriously hating when she's in the bath. Yeah, you can also chat Jake. Then after that, you can do that. And then after that, you can wash your hands. No. Actually, basically, you've tried to meet all the Sims in town, but they'll never all be home. So it seems like you haven't met them. Okay, I suppose. Okay, how about we just quickly get over. Let's cook a meal. Cheeseburgers. Can you cook cheeseburgers? No, for the other ones, because I seriously don't want to go out. Okay, then. Seriously. Here you go. Hopefully anything else isn't broken. Okay, you need to try again. This time let's chat with Maggie. Okay, let's invite Maggie over actually. Why aren't you talking about toilets? Yay! Maggie should be appearing. Oh, look, Maggie's here. Look how quickly she arrived. Great. Why are you talking about toilets? Do something about toilets or something. Talk about repairing, yeah. Yeah, tell about how your TV broke, then your... Oh, you idiot. Oh, what's he doing? I don't really want to interrupt that. So you come to my house and then go to the toilet. Okay, let's chat with Maggie. What? Who on earth does that? Like, goes to the toilet and sits back down on it. Let's talk about cooking. Because I bet you have. Guess they both like cooking. But my sim doesn't have really a good sense of humour. Yeah, so this is what Maggie looks like, and should we invite Jake over? Soon. Real her secret. So her secret is that she's scared of meat. Talking about fishing rods. I'll do something stupid. So let's just go for a chat, Maggie. How can she be talking to Maggie when she's in our living room? She's still talking to Maggie. Okay, let's watch TV. Why do you watch TV there? Just sit there and then you watch TV there. Hey, switch it to comedy. What? Why don't you chat? Let's reveal your secret. You're scared of bins now. Okay. Let's watch some TV. Why'd you go over there and sit on that chair? So yeah, Maggie said that. Okay, that's just a bit. I know, I'm just gonna do something really stupid. Maggie have a bar, but Maggie doesn't want someone. She's like, what are you? What? Okay, I'm ending the video here. Seriously, this has got overhand. Okay, thank you for watching today's video. This is Queen Gamer signing.